What's good, people? It's your boy Trill, higher co-live. But today we're having an unboxing. I'm not against buying Nike, but I just buy different things, and I have done so in a while. And in the past few shoe purchases, haven't been a lot of purchases, but that's cool. Don't care about that. The last two unboxings I did were for a pair of Interceptor by the Clear Weather brand. Shout out to them. Shout out to the constructive criticism that I got. I'm going to do better this time. I'm going to try them on, do all of that. You know what I'm saying? Zoom in, zoom out, all of that. Okay, so handy dandy knife. Shout out to Uncle Live. Get it in. Never had a pair of Ewings. Shout out to Patrick though. I like the number 33. So just TPS. Okay. Yeah. Shout out to Pat, man. No pump fakes. Patrick Ewing, you know, number 33, played for the Hoyas. Played for the New York Knickerbockers, went to the finals in '99. I cried. When Tim Duncan and them did what they did. Shout out to Tim though. But, you know, box is nice. Now, I wear a 10.5. I contacted them on Instagram to make sure if it ran big or small. So, bro told me to get 11. So, I got the 11. You can see Ewing Focus OG, size 11. Adam. Ewing Athletics. Alright. So nice. Big as hell. Alright. Slick. Here we go. Black, red, and gray. And I am a yoga teacher, and my main focus lately, this year especially, has been focus and meditation. So I love the fact that they had to focus on these. I had to grab them. You know what I'm saying? Looks nice. High top. Breathable side here. And at the sole, got some okay traction. I won't be hooping in none of these. I'll just be, you know, I wouldn't say every day, but you know, just a normal casual wear, you know what I'm saying? Basketball, you know what I'm saying? Nice. I'm gonna probably keep that on there. This basketball shoe was designed in '93 with the assistance of Patrick Ewing and meets the exacting requirements of professional basketball. The finest material available has been selected to ensure that all comfort and performance features are maintained for the life of the shoe. That's what they say. And they give the whole dynamics of the shoe breakdown. If you did on any sneaker courses, like on a Fashion Institute of New York of Technology that's in New York. The sneakerology class, you know all of this is important. And if you know also that I have done time as a shoe repairman's assistant, apprentice. On strapping, got Ewing, Patrick Ewing signature, 33, going up to 33. On the left. And I always keep my cushions. The paper, whether it's a paper cushion or plastic molding, I always keep mine. And I need to get some tree shoes like an OG so I can preserve the toes. Oh yeah, that's nice. You can feel like some Jordans now. Ooh, fits like a glove. This part right here, it's, I wouldn't say it's similar, but right there on your Achilles and at the end, at the part right here, it feels similar to an Air Jordan 1. Remember, got to focus. And then strap. Strap the blue. Focus. Focus. Now I probably won't wear mine strapped all the time. Most likely I won't. But I'll be making sure that it shows some kind of way in some form of fashion. I'm cheap like that. I feel like a little kid with these shoes. Patrick Ewing was a huge influence in them. In the top 50 greatest. But yeah, just with them on my feet, it feels like I have a kid's shoe. Or just one of them real bad. I didn't even know about Ewing's. Here we go. 360 model. Sides. Back again at 33. Ewing. A little bit so we can see how it's fitting and how it's feeling. Feel like going up. But if I was a big man, I'd wear these too because of stability and you ain't gotta run as much. But the game different nowadays. But yeah, you know they big, they're still kind of light. I like it. Definitely won't have these hanging down like this. But we'll get slow. Front check. Again. Basketball here. Info here. The focus. Ewing in his autograph. Shout out to Patrick Ewing. I believe he's coaching at Georgetown right now. If he coached anywhere else, it would be very weird. Alright. Profile looks cool. And the 33. Bottoms. Decent tracking. Nothing special. Nothing super special as far as the actual tracking, not the design. Profile on this side. Me, most likely, I'm gonna have mine like this. I'm gonna have these tucked in. And I just have to figure out a way to keep this up, which I will. It's gonna be like that. Yeah, so shout out to Ewing Athletics. Shout out to Patrick. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Patrick Ewing Jr. that played at Georgetown. Had bunnies, real bunnies. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. There we go. 360. Left shoe. Okay. Left foot without the shoe or the foot in. I really like the profile. Yeah, man. And remember to focus. 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 It's boy Trill. Peace. Got a part together. Get life. Yeah.